This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Owen and this is Ethan next to me. Have you ever wondered how long it takes for MAXI to complete a sky scan?
It takes 96 minutes. Do you know what MAXI is? Do you even know what a sky scan is? Listen to find out.
The ISS research project we want to teach you about is Monitor of All Sky X-ray Image, aka MAXI.
It collects data that helps scientists understand our universe better.
MAXI is always looking for sources of X-rays, a wavelength of light so small it's not even in the visible light spectrum. They're generated by events like supernovas, neutron stars, or black holes.
X-rays can't be monitored from Earth because it doesn't interact with the air well and disappears, so they need to look from them from space, use MAXI, which is on the ISS.
When MAXI locates a source of X-rays, it records them and sends a signal to other observatories to capture images. These observatories only have a narrow point of view, but can gather more information than MAXI because they can zoom in and focus on the X-ray source. This lets us make sure that we don't miss any X-rays.
The information gathered by MAXI and other observatories helps scientists study and understand where matter and energy comes from in the universe.
Many X-ray sources, like the black holes, can easily escape detection. MAXI can find them and help observatories capture images and record information about them.
MAXI is monitoring for X-ray sources 24/7 and can capture information from a huge range of view. It only takes 96 minutes to scan the entire sky.
MAXI helps us understand and find supernovas, neutron stars, and black holes, and help us predict where they will be located.
Bye!